Hello, this is Jordy, and I just finished the Toy Creators Academy, and I'm really happy with the class. As you can see from the stuff behind me, I'm already a creative person, and I've created a lot of stuff just as hobbies and for fun, but I've always wanted to make toys, and I haven't known how. Before joining the Toy Creators Academy, I took another online class on how to pitch inventions. It was okay, but it didn't give me any insight into the toy and game industry. And the few pitches I made, I got, well, it's a nice idea, but it's not what we're looking for from the companies I pitched to. So I knew I needed more insight into how toy companies think, what they want, what the appropriate toy market is. And the Toy Creators Academy really gave me that insight, really taught me how toy companies think, how to research projects, how to identify the market that I'm pitching to.
So hi, I'm Mackenzie Hawkins, founder of Learning the Mind. And before I joined Toy Creator Academy, I really didn't have the foggiest idea of how to go about even deciding what I wanted to do with some ideas for some games that I had to help with social emotional learning and mindfulness with children. And it was finding this course was really just, it was hitting a roadmap, literally hitting a roadmap where someone just laying out in great detail, taking care of all the things that I wouldn't have even have thought of, and just laying it out for us.
I've learned more in my sessions than I did in the 20 years of being in the toy industry.
To me, the biggest value out of this course is Azhelle's commitment herself. There are a lot of services out there where you pay and it's somebody's job and they do their best and they hand over the advice or the guidance or whatever it is that you've worked out with them. With Azhelle, it's an A+ every single time. I have never worked with anybody who comes that prepared, that insightful, and that passionate to every single interaction. And to me, that's kind of what really impressed me and has definitely carried me through this course. So if anyone's considering that, please note that this is very different from other coaching experiences out there. Azhelle is super passionate and I'm so happy to have worked with her.
Hi everybody, my name is Jen Ellis and I'm a master's student at the University of Southern California. I found the Toy Creators Academy to be completely resourceful, amazing, and awesome.
I'm graduating with my MBA. I just spent almost $100,000 with that, and I feel like a lot of the stuff I learned there, I learned in here.
I just pitched to a very big toy company, and I have to say a massive thank you to the toy coach, Azhelle Wade, because before I came on the course, we weren't even thinking about approaching toy companies. We were on this mission to do it ourselves, which I think was the wrong move for us, but we kept on going down that path for more than a year. But then I met Azhelle and looked more into licensing, and that just seemed like the path that was most comfortable and with the best fit for what we're producing. So I just want to say a massive thank you to her.
I'm Julie Dinny and I'm the owner of Dealing in Feelings, and I develop educational games and toys for children to help them with their emotional development. I'm very new to the toy industry and so I had a lot to learn, and when I came across Azhelle's podcast, it was wonderful. And then I did her course and that was just fantastic. I learned so much. I learned about gameplay, I learned about toy design, I learned about manufacturing, I learned about costing. Her course is just jam-packed with incredibly valuable content. She is a leader in her industry. She is so generous with what she provides you. It is a fabulous course and I can't recommend it highly enough. If you're starting out or even if you're already in the toy industry and you want to go to that next level, do her course. You will not regret it.
The course, toolkit, community, I'm able to move ahead and shine with my project. So thank you, Azhelle, for everything that you've done for us toy creators. It's definitely worth all of my time. Thank you.
And so my thanks to Azhelle and to the Toy Creator Academy for existing, because I have no idea where I'd be without you.
So if you're really passionate, really want to invent or design toys, make your own toy, the Toy Creators Academy is a great resource and well worth it. I highly recommend it. Thanks.